Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome's FH12 heavy-duty truck chassis, which has automated transmissions, 510 horsepower diesel engines, and 6x2 or 6x4 combinations, supports a fully equipped coach. When driving, its 40-foot height and 26,000 kilogram weight attract attention. Administration and performance. Volvo's advanced transmission and diesel engine provide the torque required for mountain climbs and RV highway travel. At maximum load, the suspension automatically modifies to maintain smoothness. Drivers cheer for Volvo's massive trucks. Fantastic. The only one that functions well is option D13. Roomy interiors. Volvo premium RVs and apartments feature 1. The open concept living area features mood-enhancing LED lighting, widescreen media, air-sprung leather chairs, and luxurious wood accents. Second bedroom, luxurious linens, blackout curtains, climate control, and a queen-size bed. The bathroom's highlights include a rainfall shower, stone worktops, gleaming fixtures, and ergonomics. These durable and pleasant pieces are a reflection of Volvo's comfortable lifestyle on the road attitude. Construct Modify. Volvo employs durable materials everywhere. 8-kilowatt solar power systems. Typical features include fiberglass, reinforced panels, remote-controlled hydraulic ramps, washer-dryer units, own and onboard generators, and underbody illumination. Up to 16 floor plans and modifications are available from coach builders. Roadside technology and usability. Volvo automobiles and recreational vehicles are equipped with contemporary technologies. The effectiveness of long-distance diesel engines. Truck platform stability control and driver assistance. Satellite cell boosters, central vacuum, and sewer are useful for larger rigs. Volvo advocates for technology and industry conversations. Adaptability and onboard intelligence are given top priority in Volvo's EX60 and core computer platform, SPA3, which could affect entertainment, safety, and motorhome navigation. Advantages and salient features. For long-distance comfort, it has an automatic transmission, turbo diesel, and an adjustable suspension. Stylish interior. A mobile home with distinct spaces for sleeping, living, and bathing is ideal for opulent getaways. Volvo is well known for its built-in garages, toy carriers, and personalization choices. Well built. These coaches' long lifespan is a result of their excellent finishing, sturdy construction, and thoughtful integrations. Trade-offs and considerations. Base price, €940,000, or around $960,000 with significant customization. Maneuverability and size. 40 to 26-foot motorhomes can make it more difficult to reach smaller campgrounds or narrower roads, and they demand driving expertise. Regular maintenance is necessary for complex systems, including hydraulics, diesel engines, and generators. Technological and electronic development. Older infotainment systems, such as those used in Volvo passenger cars, might not respond as quickly as they should. To sum up, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is among the greatest due to its great performance and comfortable living space. Its robust truck-based architecture, roomy luxury amenities, and customization possibilities will appeal to sophisticated road warriors seeking style and longevity.